Welcome to our channel. If you're a student wanting to access multiple free trials through bundle offers, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your educational benefits across various services. Step 1. Verify your student status by registering with verification services like Unidays, Student Beans, or SheerID, which many companies use to confirm educational enrollment. Step 2. Research which companies offer student bundle packages that include multiple services, such as Apple's student plan combining music, TV Plus, and Apple Arcade, or Amazon's student membership. Step 3. Gather required documentation including your student ID, enrollment verification letter, or school-issued email address to prove your eligibility for student programs. Step 4. Visit the student portal of services you're interested in, typically found through education landing pages on company websites or through student discount aggregators. Step 5. Apply for student bundles during back-to-school promotional periods when many companies offer enhanced trial durations or additional services in their student packages. Step 6. Complete the verification process by uploading your student documentation or confirming your enrollment through your school email address. Step 7. After approval, activate all services included in your student bundle, creating separate accounts if required and noting which services are bundled versus which require separate trials. Step 8. Track renewal dates for your student bundle carefully, as these benefits typically require annual re-verification of your student status to maintain discounted or free access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.